Huawei Mate 30 Pro can get 5 cameras. Nokia 9 PureView is sure to be the first smartphone with a 5-core camera. But there was information that after him a similar solution will distinguish the Huawei Mate 30 smartphone. In China, a patent application has appeared for the design of a protective case for a Huawei smartphone. Looking at the image of this case, the experts were very surprised by the shape of the cutout for the main camera. It is not square, as one would expect, but rectangular. For greater clarity, experts compared the case of the model Mate 20 Pro with the option filed for a patent. On the right in the image you can see a square cutout designed for a camera consisting of 4 lenses. It is clearly seen that the cover on the left has a more oblong shape. Huawei Mate 30 Pro. This moment led the experts to the idea that Huawei is working on its version of a smartphone with a quintet of cameras, and the assumption that this case is intended for the Huawei Mate 30 Pro is built on the external similarity of its design with the case for the Mate 20 Pro. Unfortunately, no data revealing the possible characteristics of this wonderful camera yet.